Hooked everything else up, man. We should be good to go. Cut y'all back on, man. Alright. Hand tight.
Jerk and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life cause I don't feel like
YouTube, let's take a ride to the junkyard. Cut y'all back on. Yo, go ride to the junkyard. What y'all know about the boulevard? Real big crib. Yeah, let's go. See what we about to grab. Woo! In the junkyard, y'all. Ain't too hot right now, so we about to find us a truck or something so I can get my part right quick. Cut y'all back on. And that motherfucker gonna fall down. Why you come in the junkyard? Man, it's falling down. Cut y'all back on. Oh, y'all look what we got. Got doggone marrow. Tell you, man, you never know what you see out here, though, for real, for real. 1998 Chevy Camaro. See the guts legit. Motherfucker smell like mold in this bitch. Look like mold, smell like mold. Get the fuck out of here before your headache. Nah. But it's in here though. Camaro. Yeah. Big Chanel. Oh man, another one, y'all. Another one. Let's see what's under the hood. If I can. Let's see what year this is. 94. 1994. Drop top. See what the guts look like in here. What a stick at. Let's go check the glove box. Saturn. I had one of them right there. Got your doggone roadmaster in you. Cut y'all back on, man. Let me go find what I'm supposed to be finding, man. I just like to walk around the junkyard, man, because you never know what you will see in here. For real. Cut y'all back on, though. Oh, Lord, oh, Lord, oh, Lord. They got another G-body in here, boy. Monte Carlo. 1985 Chevy Monte Carlo. Hey, the junk really actually clean, though. Shifter. Hey, what if something might jump out that bitch when I open them up? Should be out of security system in the joke. Shit, they still got the AC. Yeah, it's cluster. Backseat, well, shoot, the back of the backseat. Special pricing. See, it says associate before pulling any freaking thing. What? So I wonder what they had in here then. Shit, you had to go ask permission in the junkyard to then get some junk. That's crazy. Somebody left their cigarette shit. AC lines on that joke. Yeah. Monte Carlo though. never know what you gonna see. I'ma cut y'all back on. Man, I came in here for a mass airflow sensor, right? Joker. Missing. That's cause it's sitting right here. Well, I ain't gotta do no work. I ain't gotta do no work. Lord, I thank you, I ain't gotta do no work. 5-3. But yeah, I ain't gotta do no work. My mass airflow right here, I ain't gotta do no work on the ground. You know, a little dusty. Let me see if I can get a little clear shot. A little dusty. But I got some mass airflow cleaner. Put it on. Be back in business. Let me take this clamp off, man. Cut y'all back on. Alright, we gonna snatch him off. Yeah, see a little dusty. Shoot, it was on the ground. Huh? It was on the ground. Look good to me. I wanted to damn take this cover off, but I ain't bring no screwdriver in here, man. I only came in here with that. $2 to get in here. But shoot, I'm kinda looking through here, man. It kinda look like the damn filter look kinda clean though. We might be in business. What y'all think? Nah, there's only one way to find out. Let's go. Man, there be some clean ass trucks and shit out here, boy. Like, golly. It's a clean ass Silverado. Golly, bro. 1998. I don't feel like lifting the hood up. That shit. Y'all see it. Big junkyard, dog. Yeah. Let's go. These motherfuckers crazy. Shit high as a bitch, huh? Man, let's go, y'all. Let's get to the house, man. Try this shit. Cut y'all back on. This shit is ridiculous, boy. $38 for a mass airflow. Like, they the motherfucking port store. This a damn junkyard.